The rejuvenation of our garden railroad. It needs significant rework in 5 different areas. First one being this pond right here with the bridge that goes over it and the waterfall. At the moment it's a plastic waterfall box. That was doing okay, but I have a better product, I think. So I'm looking at this product to replace the plastic waterfall box that I currently have. It's actually a little bit wider, I think, than my current box. Need to work on this berm. The track runs behind there and then along to the bridge, and you can see it's collapsed. There are a number of places where the track has come apart. That's fairly simple to fix. There are some places where the track has actually detached from the sleepers. In that case, I'll have to replace the track. And then there's an area here where I actually want to reroute the track, because what it does, as it runs behind this stone bench, it curves around the stone bench and then it curves again in order to meet up with the track there. Because the 2 circuits, this is where they meet. This one circuit goes around that way to the top of the garden, and then the other circuit goes that way towards the fairy garden. And because I didn't plan it, this straight run here from the fairy garden was the original track, and that was the original circuit. So in continuing it straight there like that, in order to match up with the other circuit that comes from the top of the garden, what I'm planning on doing is taking a more gentle curve there instead of the twisty turny thing that I have here, and making it straight. So I think what I'll do is disconnect it at this junction here and just run that straight in front of that trellis for as long as I can, and then curve it eventually to meet the straight track that's there. So, a quick tour on the way to the fairy garden. So we go through the tunnel and into the fairy garden, where I need to repair the tunnel and rebuild the tunnel portal. So for more content like this, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.